Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to install application for your speaker Anker Soundcore free on your iOS device. You have to start by open App Store. Now go to search, click on the search line and write Soundcore. Then search and install the application. Now open it. Allow, agree and continue. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!